This is the example that goes with exercise 31. I'm going to go over the example that starts on page 353, the SPSS computations, and you'll see the data listed. Now, in order to put that data in, here's the variable view. Notice that what you have here is participant number. That's going to be a ordinal number. It could be ordinal, it could be it's ordinal, basically. It has no other than representing what participant. So it's not something that we add and subtract. You're not going to find the average participant number. It has no meaning. So this is ordinal. The group numeric, which separates and tells from, if you look at the data itself, the raw data is on page 351, is whether it's a weekly, hourly treatment group or whether it's a control group. The treatment group is going to be 1, and the control group will be a 2. And so since I'm making them 1s and 2s to represent the two groups, I'm not using treatment and control. This is still ordinal because they're still numbers, but it's still just ordinal. Numbers have no meaning other than that. And then the weekly hours, of course, is a ratioed level data, and in this particular piece of software, it's called scale. So that's what you want to set up. Then you're going to want to change to category data view, and you're going to type in the values. And so once those values are typed in, then you can go through and work on the rest of the problem. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to analyze, as it explains there. We're going to click on Analyze, and we're going to choose Compare Means, and we're going to choose Independent Sample t-test. And when you select that, the independent sample t-test, why isn't it working? There we go. And you're going to take the hours worked, and you're going to move them over as the test variable. And the groups, you're going to move over as the grouping variable. And then the next thing you're going to do is to, we've done all that, and then we're going to click on Options. Oh, no, I'm sorry, we're not going to do that. We're going to click on Define Groups. Okay, and Group 1 will be a 1, and Group 2 will be a 2. Okay, and then we'll click on Continue, and then we'll click on OK, and we will get all of this information, which is exactly like what you see on page 354. So this is how you're going to get your information for all the information you have, which is the group statistics, the independent sample test, all of those kinds of things are all going to be here. That's how you're going to do this. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to get this started. Remember, again, this is the example. You'll need to put your own values in for the actual worksheet that you need to do for the exercise.